Into wa winjane na gigo ma Walter Nyambaga oleronwa kato pangonwa e chendo ni mar Masako ita kawuono nyakora mungajwa.
Ignorant member cannot inform the House.
That I'm informing him. Why should I inform him? I don't come from Kiaru. Why should I inform you?
We now have a government that has been swallowed by the opposition, and the other way around, an opposition that is in government. We have leadership on both sides, on the government and the opposition, singing the same choir, Honorable Speaker.
Order, order, Speaker.
We must do
Honorable
what we
Junet.
must, Honorable Speaker,
Order.
because the current situation...
Order, member for Kiaru. Honorable member for Suna.
Speaker.
East. What is out of order?
What's out of order, Madam Speaker, is I want to educate my younger brother.
Educate one.
That there is no opposition in Parliament. What we have in Parliament is majority side and minority side.
Speaker, what you net ni bende enadier?
Madam Speaker, the second
order. It is more of a point of information, not point of order. What is out of order?
The manner in which the member has spoken about how to call for a special sitting of the House.
Ginite kwa wera godo.
Member for Kiaru.
Honorable Speaker, I want to request Honorable Junet. An ignorant member cannot inform the House. I need no information from you. I know what I'm talking about.
Uchilo, Orengo biro Migori, bein kod report.
Akia gima wach kuom Orengo.
Nango.
An Migori kocha kobiro, I'll not be responsible for gimotime.
Ifulango.
Gik manyalo time go ken tich na dhi hojo Migori mano wach.
Una yako.
An ok abi ho ng'ato, an aling' an mana pinre.
To wandai sewinjo wach Orengo.
Orengo osechando was talent.
Nango.
Osechando was talent. And we must call out for what it is.
To ochando nga.
Orengo no chando Jakom Raila Molo Odinga. Hiki niko te, even after the struggle in Fort Kenya ended.
Orengo to wachiango. Oburu inbe owari.
I am a Christian.
To ibiro gi ng'a kawuono.
I'm here with my dear wife. Some people don't want to say they have second wives. Me, I have a second wife who takes care of me.
Okay. Aya karerwake.
Can she just come and pray? And this nurse just pray and then I sit down. Madam, where are you? Walk faster, they will take this mic from me.
TJ Tinden Mane.
She's the one who prays for our family. She's born again. Me, I'm not yet there, but she's pushing me.
Yawa youth leader. Koso iseti.
Honorable Wakasisi, you are 3 years older than me. And yet they say I'm old. I'm not.
Kare we wayuda ne kwaya moro ka ne joera mag PSG.
Sawa.
Glory to Jesus.
Mago e Masako it kod Walter Nyambaga.